Good morning. Day 2. May 2nd, 2025. So yesterday, I went over to my one spot close to home for work, just because it was close to home, and I had to get to work. And there was birds there. And then, just not close to where I was set up, all day yesterday, I got pictures of birds in my other spot. So that's where I'm going today. So I had to come home yesterday about 9 o'clock to get to work. Today I can sit till noon. So yesterday, big old Tom, I'll post a picture. Big old Tom decided to show up around 11:30. So it would have been legal shooting hours over my other spot, and there was just turkey activity over there all day. Now it was beautiful yesterday, beautiful weather. Today it's raining, of course, but that's why I'm mostly going to this spot, because I have a blind there. A, there's turkeys there. B, if it's raining, I'll stay dry, especially with the cameras and equipment. So that's where I'm heading now. I'm gonna sit there till noon. Hopefully not. Hopefully I can sit there till 6:30 and blast one. But I don't have any snacks or anything today, so not even my little Debbie's. I don't know how I'm gonna survive. Probably wilt away. But anyways, I'll see you in the blind. Alright, so I got hens. I got a bunch of birds roosted behind me. Like really close. And I've had a couple hens sound off. I'm really surprised nothing gobbled when they did. Because I know there was a pile of jakes and a couple of good toms. So I'm just gonna sit here and be quiet. I don't know if you could hear that, but that's about 50 yards behind my blind. I'm gonna let them do all the work and see if they come out into this field or the neighbors. But so far so good. There's birds here. Just heard the first gobble. He's way to my left, down in the pines, which is actually perfect. I got these hens right behind me. I know he hears them. Ideal situation. The hens fly off and go out in the neighbor's field. And they call. He just gobbled again, and they call the tom right across in front of me. That's ideal. Other scenario, the hens go his way. Another scenario, the tom flies down and goes to the woods behind me. But if he flies down in that field over there at all and sees that Jake decoy over there, he should come barreling across this field. So fingers crossed that happens. I just heard the Jake sound off too. a feeling we're going to get into some action this morning. Something running in. It's probably just a hen, if I had to guess. There's the tom. It's a dandy. This decoy. It's competition. You're gonna leave your hens, really? You're gonna let your hens walk to me and you're gonna leave. That would be a first, if that happened. If that's the case, I don't even want to shoot you. You're not man enough to come over and beat up a Jake. That other tom isn't completely other. Look at them. They're just chasing that tom off. Chase him over here. What happened to masculinity? He's gonna pop through that hedgerow just like the other one did. Where the heck did he come from? this one in the hedgerow might come close enough. The coolest turkey hunt I've ever been on. What? I'm shaking. Oh, that's what it's all about. I didn't want to shoot one of those ones. They were wussies. To come over here and get bullied. This guy comes through that hedgerow like a boss. Like he was gonna freaking destroy that Jake decoy. What a freaking morning. I lost count of how many turkeys were in front of me. There was 16, and then this group came out, 17, 18, 19, 20. There was at least 20. There was probably like 20, 22 birds. That's how you know that predator management is working. We killed 120 something coyotes last year, 120 coyotes this year on all these surrounding properties, and it's shown like dramatically, the turkey population. To get opportunities at that many birds. As soon as that freaking tom come out, it like leveled the playing field. I've hunted turkeys since I was with my dad, since I was probably 6 years old. Maybe younger, I don't remember when he first took me out, but I've never had a spring turkey, fall group, sure, but I've never had a spring turkey hunt like that. With that many birds. And the Jake's just bullying those freaking birds. That was hilarious. But this guy, I was watching these toms out here, and all of a sudden I see him just fanned up in the hedgerow. I was like, he was just watching it all unfold. He's probably just picking out who he was going to kick the snot out of. But I don't know. This right here, that's a sight for sore eyes right there. This is my first turkey out of a ground blind too. I'm usually on the ground, run and gun. Look at the beard on that thing. But I'm usually an on the ground, chase him down kind of guy. So to get an opportunity like this in the ground blind, couldn't be happier. Here he is. Got a big old rope on him. It's a beautiful, beautiful beard. That's about 11 inches. He's got some nice hooks on him. But look at the hooks. Oh, so blessed to be able to do this stuff. Beautiful bird. This might be my mounter. I was really contemplating getting one mounted this year. Absolute hammer. I don't usually shoot him strutted up like that, but he was just not giving me any opportunity at all. When putting his head down, he just did not like that jig decoy being there, because this is his strut zone. He struts here almost every day, these birds do. So, just a beautiful, beautiful bird.